This tensile testing machine features a wide application range, powerful functions, compact structure, and easy operation. It is driven by a motor with high speed, low vibration, and low noise. Optional large deformation displacement tracker heightened model meets specific testing requirements. Compatible with various features, satisfies the needs of different experiments. Touch control display screen for simple and convenient operation. Equipped with high precision force sensor, ensures the accuracy of experimental data, enables mechanical property testing of various produced parts and raw materials. This interface allows control of the testing machine's lifting and lowering, start and stop of experiments, zeroing of test data, machine reset, viewing and printout of test results. It also supports viewing of 3 coordinate curves: force time, force displacement, and displacement time.